Stella. Sarek, shut up. Huh? I'm getting a cute video right now. Damn, now I've used so much storage on my phone, I've got a time limit for my camera now.
Yeah, that's how you know your phone's low on memory.
Fuck. It's all the pictures of my Sona, probably. I re-download them because I don't feel like... Sarek, oh my god! A vicious attack. Sarek saw you trying to take photos and he was like, no, it shan't be.
He's like, oh god, they're taking pictures. Not the spotlight.
Well, Sarek, I'm taking a video.
I'll just pick this random shit off the ground.
I'll pick this half-burnt firewood. I got your underwear on shot. Sarek, sit. Give me that. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Give me a stick. Alright. Ow! Ow! She's the victor. Get her, Sarek.
Get her, Sarek.
He's like,
I'm too old for this, but okay.
You're like 4.
He's like, I tried, I took it.
You're 4.
When he went down to pee, he kind of acted like his leg was kind of tired and sore, so maybe he's just not up for it today.
Is it a tripod day? Let me see that stump. Yeah. You got a stump. Say, they took my leg off one day, and I ain't never trusted the vet ever since. Big dumb boy. He's my big dumb boy.
No, he's the dumbest.
There's a battle going on right here.
I thought you were about to tell me there's a wasp.
I think I would sound a lot more panicked. There's the trampoline we never use. Dad wants to give it to those people who...
Ow!
The people who, like, the tree fell on their trampoline.
Who was that?
Just like a random house on the way to Mama's work.
Ow.
Look at them talons. Sarek runs to you. Now he lost the stick he was chewing on. Hey, don't eat grass.
Don't you be eating the grass. Oh, nah, don't you do it. It's not a game. It's not a game.
See, now you're gonna choke.
He thinks it's a game.
Quit eating grass.
No, he can't do it.
Sarek, I'm catching you on video.
Stop it.
I'm a professional videographer.
I'm still Stella's stick now since I can't eat grass.
Now she'll eat grass again.
No eating grass. Stop it. Stop it. Just stop it. Why would you stop it? You're tearing this family apart. What's wrong with you?
We
Stop
just
eating
got this
grass.
lawn looking
Stop
decent
it.
again.
Stop it.
He's like, lawnmower free of charge. Oh, I got both of them in frame right now. It's like a standoff. He's watching her through the fucking fire pit.
He's planning his next move. What you gonna do, boy? What you gonna do?
Oh, you okay?
Okay.
You okay?
You gotta be
He's like,
careful.
okay, leggy done.
Damn, I could see all the way down your throat. That was weird. Like it looked just like a hole like that. Going into his larynx. I don't know.
Is leggy done?
Is Leggy done for today?
Yeah, he's, yeah.
Yeah.
When you touched it, he kind of,
Come on, okay.
come on, you want
Not
to
enough
go
fan.
get cuddles?
Come on, bud.
Oh, well, now you're fine.
He's fine.
He's like, cuddles! Come on, Biddles.
You'll have to send me that video of him being crazy.
Come on, Biddles.
She'll come in a second. Come on, Sarah.
She's like, I'm bringing stick. Sarek's like, what do you mean? I'm already up here.
Come on, Sarah.
Sarah?
Sarah.
Good. We don't know our own dogs' names.
Who is Sarah?
Come on, Biddles.
Come on, Bishosh. Hang on, I'll go get her.
She's just watching us. Like, do I want to? You're going to get retrieved.
Yeah,
We're not trying to get your stick. We're trying to get you.
if she'll run by you, see if you can kind of get her collar a little bit.
Okay. Okay, I'm turning video off.